Ever run a command and accidentally wiped a file you meant to update? Chances are you used one greater than sign when you needed two. A single greater than sign redirects standard output, file descriptor 1, to a file, but it truncates the file first, erasing all existing content before writing anything new. The double greater than also redirects standard output, but it appends instead. New content is added to the end while everything already in the file stays intact. Both operators share one convenient behavior. If the destination file does not exist yet, they will create it for you automatically. Here is what this looks like in practice. Running echo with a single greater than twice leaves you with only the second line. The first was overwritten. With double greater than, both lines accumulate in the file. This makes double greater than perfect for log files, where you want to keep a running history of output across multiple runs. The diagram makes it concrete. On the left, single greater than reaches into the file and wipes it clean before writing. The old content is gone. On the right, double greater than seeks to the end of the file and starts writing there, so old content and new content both survive. Same command structure, fundamentally different outcomes. Greater than overwrites, double greater than appends, and both create the file if it does not exist. Next time you reach for a redirect, choose carefully. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.